This is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. It's running the 454 motor, bored out, 60 over to 496 cubic inches placement. Dyno's out, close to 650 horsepower. Listen to those pipes. It's a gorgeous car. Now this is a pro street, it's still street legal, but it's also deadly on the track. It's never been lined up before, so nobody knows what it will do. One of my favorite aspects is the attention to detail. See back here, it does have the roll bar. But even where the wheel wells have been expanded, it's been upholstered. Let's see, I'll walk around to the other side. Oh man, I love those pipes. It's a rather large block. No supercharger, no nitrous, all carb. For more information, check out www.mcclaymotors.org or give us a call, 1-850-877-2600. Austin not included.